I think new spark plugs or something. Motherfucker getting spark, man. It's trying. I think the spark plug is gonna. Or the timing. They're gonna set the time and take the whole distributor out. Take the little distributor out and knock that motherfucker back top dead center and shit. And yeah, I think I need to retime this motherfucker. What y'all think though? I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just guessing and going off what I think I know. But I'm learning though. But shit, what y'all think that one is right there, man? And it's getting sparked to the distributor. From what I guess. You feel me? But getting gas to the carburetor shooting gas. Let me know something.